Hello guys, my name is Hoàng Hưng, teacher from the IELTS Workshop. I'm a teacher of the freshman and junior courses. And today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that garnered a great deal of interest among many Vietnamese students, and that is whether or not Vietnamese male students wear áo dài to school. First of all, this is something you need to know about áo dài. Áo dài is a national costume usually worn by Vietnamese women on special occasions. But unknown to many people, áo dài used to be the default outfit for men on both ordinary and special occasions back in the 1800s to early 1900s. The trend of Vietnamese male students wearing áo dài has sparked mixed reaction from netizens concerned about its practicality, as well as inspiring many students all over the country to follow suit. Of course, this trend is meant to promote and preserve Vietnam's iconic áo dài fashion, as well as cultural legacy. However, some people say wearing áo dài can be really uncomfortable, as it can make the dresser sweaty in sweltering summer. Meanwhile, its thin texture may make the dresser catch a cold on windy days, and putting a jacket over an áo dài to block out the cold may result in a fashion disaster. Having said that, in the past few months, photos of Vietnamese male students wearing áo dài has been shared like wildfire on the internet and drawn tremendous attention from netizens. The kind of áo dài worn by these students has looser shapes and waist-high flaps made for easy access to trouser pockets. And completing the traditional getup with sport shoes give the entire look a modern and sporty feel to it. Obviously, the message that these students are trying to convey is that male students can still look cool and comfortable in áo dài and may turn a few heads in the process too. I personally believe there's no better way to promote our traditional garment by wearing it in day-to-day life. Áo dài can be worn on ordinary days, not just special occasions, which happen only a few times a year. For students, you don't necessarily have to wear it every day, just Mondays will do. So what's your opinions on this topic? Please comment down below and let me know.